Hi, welcome to Counterpoint Research Reviews. This is Neil Shah. Today we have with us Samsung's flagship Galaxy Watch Ultra. This is Samsung's premium line of flagship smartwatch. The pairing was breezy. The setup was super simple. I also activated my eSIM on the geophone. So my initial impressions using this watch for almost a couple of weeks. I love the squirrel design. At the same time, it's a little bit clunky than the normal smartwatches we have. The strap itself is beautiful. It's a rubberized strap. The watch is designed to be ultra rugged, and that's why it's called Ultra. It has a sapphire crystal glass. It has a titanium casing with cushion design. It's IP68 rated and with MIL 810H standard certification. Also designed for health aficionados, quick action button, which directly takes you into your Samsung Health and exercise routines and all the different and workout. Display is gorgeous. It's super bright. It's a 4.7 inch in a titanium graded body. Also, it sports a 590 milliampere battery and 3 nanometer 5-core processor from Samsung. Also has a dual frequency GPS and 4G connectivity with latest Bluetooth 5.3. The watch is powered by Google Android Wear with some elements of Tizen, Samsung's homegrown operating system and the features coming from that, and Samsung security systems and Knox. Galaxy Watch Ultra sports a new bioactive sensor, which is smaller in size. It uses multicolored LEDs for accurate blood-related data and also heart rate measurement, SpO2, and the placement is optimized for the sensor to gather accurate information. So I would definitely recommend this watch for those who prefer active lifestyle, and it's a great addition if you are already owning a Samsung flagship phone.